regular polygons, and we're going to fill in a little bit of information. First of all, they want you to name these regular polygons. I want you to just write the name right on top of them if you know them. If you get to one you don't know, then when we're done, you can Google it and find out what the name of this shape is. And then in the chart below, you're going to fill in the names again based on the number of sides. So I want you to fill in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. And then the last row, I'm going to have you fill in n. N just represents any number of sides. And when you see it written as a polygon, they're going to call it an n-gon. And even if it's a polygon that's not very common, like a 37-sided polygon, there's probably a specific name for that, but they won't call it that name. They'll just call it a 37-gon. Okay, 37-sided polygon is what that means. And then in each of the columns, you're going to calculate, use your calculator or the Desmo Scientific Calculator, and complete each of these boxes. So to get the number of triangles inside, do you remember from yesterday, how do we get the number of triangles? It was an easy little trick. How many triangles are going to be in a quadrilateral? 2. So it has how many sides?
4.
So how do you get from 4 to 2? Well, not half. There's a different trick. You're going to subtract 2. So whatever number of sides, you're going to subtract 2. And then each triangle has how many degrees? 180. So you're going to take 180 and you're going to multiply it by the n minus 2. Okay? That's going to give you the total degrees inside of that polygon. If you just want one of them, you have to come back to this formula and divide by the number of sides. Yes? In just a minute I will, yes. And then to get the sum of the exterior angles, that's the one where it's always something. What is it? Always. Remember yesterday, all the answers were the same? 360. And if you wanted just one single exterior angle, you're going to take 360 and divide it by n. Okay? The exterior angle is going to be on the outside, and the interior angle is going to be on the inside.